During zooming and PTZ movement, the HDKATOV UH86DHS maintains stable exposure and consistent color reproduction. Images remain clean and smooth, with no visible brightness fluctuation or color shift throughout the motion. As the focal length changes, depth of field transitions smoothly, delivering a natural visual shift from wide shots to close-ups. Foreground and background separation remains clear and controlled. In well-lit meeting rooms, UH86DHS delivers balanced exposure, natural colors, and high image clarity. Details are preserved across the entire frame. Even in low-light meeting environments, UH86DHS maintains excellent image quality with low noise and stable brightness. Images remain usable and professional without loss of detail. Under both bright and low-light conditions, UH86DHS accurately captures facial details with natural skin tones. Facial features remain sharp, making it ideal for conferences and presentations. In outdoor scenes with natural daylight, UH86DHS delivers vivid colors, balanced contrast, and rich detail. The camera adapts smoothly to changing light conditions. From zoom precision to focus speed, from low-light performance to facial detail, HDKATOV UH86DHS is designed to deliver consistent, professional image quality in every scenario.